Hello, my name is Ghosh Reddy. This project is regarding phone pay translation insights. Let's just talk about project summary. This project phone pay translation insights analyze the digital payment data from phone pay plus data set from a JSON files and stored in a SQLite covers the user's transaction insights are delivered using SQL and Python and visualized in an interactive streamlit dashboard. Key findings highlights ZMBC dominance in users, the prevalence of P2P payments and methodistic activity. This end-to-end solution showcases practical skills in data engineering and analytics and visualization. It's, it's just a reset the collab laptop and clearing the cache to run the speed. You can see here repo URL that is GitHub for PhonePe Pulse. The data is extracting here from here, cloning their Pulse. You can see here. And repo already cloned. I only run this twice. And you can see here Chronicle SQLite 3 daughter connector PhonePe SIM. Yeah, I created this what we call database format. So you can see here cursor dot equal to cursor connection dot cursor. You can see here cursor is here create a table. This SQL queries create table if not create a user transaction, create a transaction, create a incidents, map user, map that means a map transaction, map incidents. You can see here. Here is the top user, top map, top incidents, and you can see here phone pay simulation database. Because aggregated tables you can see here. Okay. Here, map tables we can see here. Coming to the code, you can see here user dir because user data we are aggregated user data. You can see here data aggregated user country India's data. That means this is a data path user path. You can see here we are in this file first we are going in data and data to aggregated to user to country to India state like that we can see one by one to conclude this JSON format file ends with JSON. We can use that F path OS path. You can OS we are using import as a we are imported OS library OS. You can see here insert into aggregator user wise that way we are taking that what we call that parameters like state. You can see state, year, quarter, brand count, percentage. You can see user count plus one like that. the, there are some errors but total you can see here loaded 637 732 6732 user records like that aggregated transaction data like the same you can see here. A state, year, quarter, name, payment instruments, payment instruments, and count and amount. You can see here. Here, 5034 transaction records. Here also next agreed incidents. Same here you can see here. Year, quarter, state, name, count, amount. You see here. 682 incidents records. Like that, we are keeping everything. Map user, map transaction, map incidents. Like that, we can see here. Let's go to the here a pip install. I actually installed this Streamlit, but it's not working properly. So I done it local. This is the Streamlit code. I already have this. I already have this code in you can see Streamlit app.api. You can see here. I already downloaded a phone pay sim DPI in whole app to drive. I copied into this what do you call, directly app.dpy. I will show you that. You can see here in the Streamlight SQL pandas. We already did this tables, set the tables. Yeah, giving the Streamlight, you know that who can do that. Label, user count, top 10 of you're taking a four sections. Top 10 phone brands by user count. Like state, section 2 transaction analysis pie chart legend like that. And top the insurance coverage, top performing districts. You can see here. This sort of both SQL and Python code. This is. They're running this. You can see here phone by classic. This Streamlit app. You can see here. Xiaomi is top 10 phone brands by user. Xiaomi, Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, others, Realme, Apple, Motorola. This one and five transaction types by amount. We get peer-to-peer payments, merchant payments, recharge and bill payments, others financial services. And top insurance category, you can see insurance total claim amount is up to 2 years. And top 10 district by transaction value. Top 15 is Bangalore, Urban, Hyderabad, Pune. And here we can see here option state by state. We can see Andhra Pradesh, for suppose. We can see here first here. Top 10 Visakhapatnam, Guntur, East Godavari, Krishna, Chittoor, like that. We can see here the total claim amount like that, and here 82. Before it was there 77.1 something. Now it is 82.3. It is increase Xiaomi like that. We can see it. Like that we can see in Bihar. It takes just a minute. You see now 79.4. So it's changing. And you can also have year wise 2018. You can see it. Top 10 is still Xiaomi is here. Top 5 you can see 91.6. Bihar, we are saying Bihar. Right? 83.3, 88.3. You can see Bangalore urban. Now second before it is there Hyderabad, now it's not Pune, Chennai, and then Hyderabad. You can see here. So now coming to the presentation, you can see here. The analysis highlights a strong preference for brands such as Xiaomi and Samsung among phone pay users. And behavior snapshot, we can see 77.1 for all and not to be any filters in all. And financial services, we just take explaining this one. P2P transfers are the most frequently used transaction type, indicating that PhonePe is heavily relied upon for direct person-to-person digital payments. Like that, in the majority of incident-related activities focus on health and vehicle insurance categories. And you can see here top performing district by transaction value are Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Pune. Project overview and tech review, extracting and transforming JSON data from PhonePe Pulse repository, loading data into SQL-like database using Python, perform complex SQL queries for business use cases, visualizing trends using Pandas, Matplotlib library, Seaborn, building an interactive dashboard using Streamlit. Technologies used, you can see Python, SQL, Streamlit, Seaborn, Pandas, SQL. Key recommendation based on the transaction data and user behavior patterns, we recommend prioritize marketing in top districts like Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Pune. Expand insurance features with focus on health and vehicle segments. Partner with popular smartphone brands, top 10, Xiaomi, Samsung, for example. Invest in improving P2P transfer experience and features. Consider final Streamlit dashboard overview and interactive dashboard was developed to use Streamlit. You can display top performance states, displays, and pin code. Visualize transaction incident pattern using dynamic filter. Enable stakeholder to explore real-time insights. And deploy to report this. Deploy focus on analyzing form pay transaction. Objective is understand user preference smartphone adoption. Identify most popular payment types. Tools we can see Python, like the key insights, top smartphone brands Xeon, okay, Xeon is Samsung, Vivo. Will lead the user base followed by Vivo and Oppo. Transaction types, peer-to-peer payments, Europe dominate usage patterns. 77.1% of peer-to-peer payments. Insert categories, you can see insurance in a top clean amount. You can see up to two. Uh, 2 is a about 10. You can see because in an exponential format I can to lead a crop. Okay. Healthy vehicle insulin show increasing user interest. Now top 10 distributors in Bengaluru, Hyderabad and Pune are contribute the most transaction volume. Focus on marketing I told promote health and vehicle insurance. services to increase adoption. Computer provides successfully extracted and analyzed transaction data from PhonePe. It demonstrated how business insights can be derived from real-time financial data using modern tools. The findings about statistic decisions in user engagement, region expansion, and financial product development.